Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to farm Abyss artifacts in Crimson Desert. Now, if you didn't know, this is an XP bar. This bar will slowly fill up when we defeat a certain number of enemies. Also, you have probably seen this farming spot before, but we have a new method for clearing the enemies at this camp. But we need two items first before we do the farming method. First, you need to get the Eastern Witch's Fan. We have a video on this channel on how to acquire this, so make sure to check it out. This next one is optional, but this will make the clear much faster if you get the Orbs of Lightning. You can get this Abyss gear through the story mission and in the back alley shop in Peilun. Now that we have these two items, let's head to the farming spot. You might have seen this before, but we're heading to Dewhaven Keep. This spot is directly above the letter V in the word Dewhaven on the map. Now, what makes this farming method faster is the spinning slash animation for the weapon we're using. This weapon will summon a high damaging lightning bolt and vacuums enemies in the center, which is the perfect move for clearing waves of enemies. Let's first unlock the fast travel on this side of Dewhaven so we can reset the mobs we're about to farm. Once you've done that, head over to the left side entrance. Now keep track of my experience bar and see how fast this goes up every time we clear this camp. Walk inside this first area in the castle, then gather the enemies around here. Once they're gathered, spam the spinning slash input. This move will take care of an enemy in just 2 spinning slashes. Once we've cleared this area, run up these stairs. Same with the first area, gather as many enemies as you can in one spot, then spam the spinning slashes. Walk out of this room, gather them again, then spam your spinning slash. Once we've dealt with at least 80% of the camp, head out and wait for them to stop chasing you. In a few seconds, you can teleport back to the fast travel spot and repeat the steps. This is the fastest method I've found so far for clearing camps, and in just 2 runs, this XP bar will fill up and you'll gain an artifact. I found this more consistent than using the lamp for checking pockets and stealing, since that relies too much on RNG. With this method, you can even slot in a few Abyss gears for experience gain, and you'll farm artifacts even faster. And that's how to farm Abyss artifacts in Crimson Desert. Thank you so much for watching.